Aligning your college subjects with the right career. Choosing college subjects feels overwhelming, right? The pressure to decide your future may have you second-guessing, but don't panic. In this guide, we'll show you how to pick the right subjects and pave the way to a thriving career you'll love. Start by exploring your interests. What excites you? Is it solving problems, designing, or helping others? Your passions are a solid foundation for your career. When you align subjects with what you love, studying feels less like a chore and more like self-discovery. Consider, what are you naturally good at? Maybe it's numbers, writing, or teamwork. By matching your strengths to subject choices, you can confidently aim for careers where you'll excel. Pair this with research on in-demand fields for a winning strategy. Look for subjects that teach real-world skills. From coding to communication, many courses prepare you for jobs yet to be invented. Employers seek versatile and adaptable talent, so pick subjects that offer both foundational knowledge and room to grow. It's time to connect your dreams with reality. Share this video to help others and comment below with your career goals. Need more advice? Hit subscribe for expert guidance on making college choices that shape a successful future. Your perfect career starts now. Take the first step today.